Start. Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party versus Union of India. Law point. Right to cast vote is a valuable right, but to demand any uniform value of one's voting right through the process of delimitation, disregarding the statutory and constitutional dispensation based on historical reasons, is not a justifiable right. Para facts. The appellant was aggrieved by an amendment to the Jammu and Kashmir Representation of the People Act 1957, especially the amendment in section 3 thereof. The amendment had been brought about in 2002. Section 3 of the Jammu and Kashmir Representation of the People Act 1957, as amended from time to time. The main grievance of appellant was in view of the postponement of delimitation of constituencies as the result of the amendments aforesaid, the growing imbalance in the matter of composition of various constituencies would continue despite the census operation being carried out. Decision. Readjustment of extent and boundaries of territorial constituencies upon completion of census is not mandate of constitution amendment, therefore does not violate basic structure of constitution. Further, ensuring uniformity in value of votes is not a constitutionally mandated imperative of free and fair election. Stop.